This is a question I get asked more often than you would think, and the answer may shock you. Should I have to replace the refrigerant in my HVAC system? Let's get into this. But first, let me start by saying this. It seems there are more salesmen than true technicians out there. Now, given there is a time and a place to sell the customer things they need or might not know they need, taking advantage of a customer's lack of knowledge is not something anyone should do, but it happens. One of our new customers almost fell victim to a technician doing just that. They called this other company to fix their problem and was told they need a capacitor and their system was over 5 years old, so they need their refrigerant replaced. They told the company they would like a second opinion and ended up calling us. We go out there, we do verify it is a failed run capacitor, quoted the customer, got it replaced. From there, go on to check the rest of the system. All checked fine. When we finished, they then mentioned the other company and about replacing the refrigerant. So we were able to inform them, you will not and should not ever have to replace your refrigerant in your system unless there is a leak in the system or it's contaminated refrigerant. There is our answer. So if you have a company saying your system is X years old and the refrigerant needs to be replaced, just know they're trying to scam you. If you are watching this, just know I'm on to you, and I'm going to inform you because maybe you told them that because you either skipped that day in training or did not have the proper knowledge in the first place. Refrigerant in an air conditioning system has an indefinite lifespan and does not deplete like gas in a car. This is because of the sealed design of an air conditioner. If there is contaminated refrigerant, then yes, you will need to replace your refrigerant. Just a few ways this would happen. The installer or technician did not pull a vacuum before they released the charge. Different or contaminated refrigerant still in the hoses from the previous job, compressor burnout. If there is a leak and there's still refrigerant in the system, depending on the leak area, the technician could pump down or recover the refrigerant still in the system, filtering before the recovery machine, repair the leak and replace the filter dryer, add back the refrigerant that you took out, filtering from the tank the majority of what was taken out. Side note, when I say the majority, you do lose a small percentage of the refrigerant when it goes into the tank. I won't go in detail about that in this video. If you're a homeowner watching this and you're wondering if a company is trying to scam you, like I said before, if they mention your system is X years old, the refrigerant needs to be replaced, you don't want to do business with them. Instead, call around. There are still honest companies out there, and many may offer free second opinions. Hopefully you learned something from this video. If you did, share it with your friends. Like this video if it helped you, and comment down below some of your stories. Thanks for watching.